Hello guys, welcome today in the additional, um, we have not received our newspaper today because the paperboy has not delivered the newspaper. It's too slippery today, so the publisher has decided not to deliver the newspaper. So everything is online, and I've printed and downloaded the puzzle page. So we have here puzzle page. This is the additional low quality printing. But it's on Monday, February the 15th, 2021. We have here Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 3 stars, 5-2. So this should be the 3 stars, 5-2. Yes. 329. 329. Yes, this is a 3 stars. Yeah. Then we have a 4 star. Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with a 1 star, Binary Puzzle 1, Binary Puzzle 2. Alright, so the printing is not good quality, but this one will be number 2330, and it's a 3 star, so you cannot see here clearly. It's a 3 stars Sudoku. Alright, and today is a Monday, February 15th, 2021. Yes, 2021. Alright, so, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, plus 2 is 9, 10, 13, 16, plus 4 is 20, plus 5 is equal to 25. Correct. 3 stars Sudokus has always 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level, but you cannot say every Sudoku with 25 printed digits is a hard one or an easy one. It depends if there are a lot of pairs in the Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. This big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4, should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the row below, the only place for the 2 should be there. So what are those numbers in this big square? The 1 is missing, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 6, 3, and look, we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 1 should be there, so 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row, the third row, for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 and the 9. 7 and the 9, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then. Let me scan the puzzle. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here. Oh, there we see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Okay, in this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this column. A 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 2, should be there. So what are those missing numbers in this big square? 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 and the 7 are missing. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this middle column for the number 7, and the 7 and 8. 7 and 8 are missing. Let me mark those two boxes. Cannot fill this yet. How about those two numbers in this column? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Yes. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Well. 6. All right. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 2 should be there. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6. 3 and a 6. Let me mark those two boxes, 3 and a 6. Alright, so we have a 2 in this row, 2 in a row above. So in that row, only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 2, alright. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then all right. How about yeah. 3, 3. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Let me see. Yeah. We have a 5 in this column, last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. No, I've moved there. Let me, yeah. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see. Apologies. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column. The only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. And then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 8 goes there. So we have an 8 in this row. 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. One number left in this row for the number 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 7. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in this third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And then yeah. How about 3 missing numbers in the first column? One of the missing number in the first column is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. One number left in this big square for the number 1. Then one, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the numbers 1 and a 3. We have a 1 and a 3 in this column. So no 1 and a 3 in those two boxes. We have a 1 and a 3 in this row. So no 1 and a 3 in this box. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. Apology. 1 and a 3. Yeah, 1 and a 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8 is missing. And then 9 is missing. No, I cannot fill this yet. How about those two numbers? The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5. And a 6. 1, 6, 1, 6. No, cannot fill this yet. 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. Okay. 1. Yeah. 3. Well, in this row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1 in this big square. So no 1 in those two boxes. So the 1 could be here or there. We have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. So this box should be a 1. Now 1 box left in the first column for the number 3. Alright, 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And all the, oh wait, 1 and a 3, so this should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This box should be the 3. And this box should be a 6. Alright. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 3. Well. 2 numbers left in the last column, the 1 and the 6. We have a 6 now, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. Yeah, 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here. Oh, there we see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 1. 1 number left in the first row for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 6. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in the third column for the number 9. Yeah, 9 is missing. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so no row between the middle row. The only place for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here, so this is gonna be 9 anymore. This box should be the 9, and this should be a 7. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can't be a 7 anymore. This box should be the 7, and this should be an 8. 1 box left in this row for the number 6. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. 8 and 6. We see here 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright. Apologies for the camera has moved, but we have managed to solve this in 17 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 4 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.